patience now. These are the boys, they are not going out this morning. So I have them on some bag feeding. While we go out and I'm gonna cut some grass, I can give them a 2020 MP3 and the boy on the back. And this is Blockhead. They are not going out this morning. Right now for this month I'm just try keeping them on the block, not sending them out. So here's Blockhead eating some feeding. And 2020 eat out time pandas already. So the slowest one I pen right now that goes slow on the feeding is the boy. See him wearing a back there. So we'll send them out now. Guys, now going out to feed. So I'll send out the girls and all my family and friend. Yeah, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to everyone, every single one. From Tal, from Leroy, right back to Cameron, right back to everyone, brothers and sisters. One love, one God, one destination. Yeah man, try, big up same way. Yes brother. Yeah man, hope I get you, keep a link. So family, we are going upon a feeding man in this time. I see how your place pretty. Because guess what make your place so pretty? Because the sun well hot. So you go out after 10 and now go get them crap. The white body goat them never want to send him out But she's kind of wild. I just stress him for catch him and all. But him heavy. So I'm the near having kid now. And the one upon the fridge there too. I have a couple mother near if you have kids, so I have to just go and watch them. So, cause kidding month and on from now till next month, a kidding month. Alright, me really after about one kid since month because the mother did sick out and we me now lose the mother. So you know me have to about the kid. A nice Karami. Alright. Out girls. Now come out. You see when them start get feeding, they don't want to go nowhere. Because they all them intention we give them feed. Where them sheep they gone? Now come out now man. See the thing about with them with feeding And once you give them start give them back some feeding. Once you start give them back some feeding, friends and family, that is what is going on. They are just don't want to go out. Cause everybody, I'm gonna give them feeding since morning. Okay. I want to say, I don't sure no, but I want to say, based on what the comments I get on my goat, they look good and thing. I want to say, I don't drench goat on full stomach. When I'm drenching my goat, them empty stomach. That means that the first thing they have in them belly is the dewormer to prepare, clean the worm. Because remember, say when you drench them on full stomach, they chew. And when they bring up that chewing cud, when they bring up that cud, you know what happens? Then spit out that to come up on it. So the drench go down on it, and you them chew it, then they spit it out back. So that's why I drench my goat in the morning after them done chew them cud. I may send them out now, I drench them. So that is a way that my goat them look good. Because everybody drench them goat sometime, some ways, but because people comments them, and the girls them see it, everybody's going back in the pen because they need the feed. Come. See sheep them gone left in here. Come on, bush. Remember they are fighting now and them fight. Bush. At least go to the mother family. We can't talk about her. See it and she take her now and she start bag feeding and nice. You know? Look good again. Yeah man. So family and friend, thanks to the time that you spent through the years listening to my foolishness. And this is a new year with a bag of bullshit and knowledgeable. So everyone, yeah. Liar Virgin. I don't quite remember yesterday. Oh, I just slip up a name, but forgive me. But respect to man, thumbs up to you. And everyone that comments and everyone that even view. Happy New Year. Prosperous one we go for this year. This is 2020, but we'll see what we can do for it. You know, don't make the year left you in our state where you never started with. Started with our intention, and when it finished, it should be finished better than yesterday. You know, every year it should be better. Yeah, man. Cause I still a plan. This is the goat I have to help out the situation. We should have a kid, but look, she walking alright now. She is sickly, eye pale, tongue pale, everywhere pale out. So to my discuss, my recovery, may I say she did have like anemia, you know. So we sort her out, get her some tonic, and she alright. That one I know me for trim up her hoof get better because she did get her hoof damage. So I hope for trim up and now. So I have some trimming to do. So Leroy, as you just say, you send on this up man, it get stopped. God know that help me well, but me have to do some trimming early than when me believe. One thing me no love now when you feed these goat, they take a set of yard, they don't want to go out. And me can't use bag feeding feed goat cause right now a bag of feeding actually take me 6 days for done. Feed girl outside, give that girl a little make him nice. Carry out already. And sheep them, I couldn't feed them two sheep that come out first. Next sheep eat cause everybody ram them a feed and thing. So four I go pick out liquor too. So as the thing the day is all about how my drench them. I drench them before out. I hope that we make an improve by your farm. And don't wait till them come in at the evening and drench them. And then go eat grass and you know them chew cud. If an animal chew cud anything come up and they don't like it taste, them go pit it out. You understand? So a drench are gonna be in vain. You understand? So man we say boy I drench them and I do this and me that. But that's our next thing. So you attack your worm them on the empty stomach. You know? Clean up them stomach. Hold on family, me I run out them goat. Cause them go on like they don't want to go bush you know, but them need to go feed some dry grass too.